Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So in this session, I'm going to demonstrate about the configuration of document splitting. So here I will show you the complete step-by-step configuration of document splitting. So before jumping into the configuration, just want to explain what is this document splitting and this. So basically, this document splitting is a special functionality of a new GL, which is split the transaction as per the defined characteristics wise. That characteristics should be like a profit center or a segment or business area. This will be based on the client requirement. So generally, this document splitting will be three types, which are active splitting and passive splitting and zero-based splitting. So this active splitting, whenever we are posting a customer invoice or vendor invoice, any document at that time, we will be mentioning the characteristics over there, whether it is a cost center or profit center, whatever it may be. The cost profit center will be derived when we will be putting the inputting the profit center in active splitting. When it comes to the passive splitting will be you will be making the payment to against to the invoice. At that time, we are not going to specify any characteristics over there. So what happens now, system will derive the characteristics from the original document, which is invoice. And the third one is zero based splitting. So when it comes to zero based splitting, when there is a in a document, debit and credit profit center will be there. Two separate profit center will be there. If the balance is not matching at the debit profit center and the credit profit center, then system will create a one more line item with a zero balancing clearing GL account, which we will be updating in the configuration level. So system will automatically pick that GL account and it will create a one new line item to balance that line document. So we will see the configuration now. Now let me access the transact SPRO path. Just hit enter and then select the SPRO reference IMG, and then here financial accounting, and then general ledger accounting, and then business transaction, and then document splitting. So document splitting configuration, the first step we have to define is a classified GL account for document splitting. So here we need to classify our GL accounts, like what are my balance sheet accounts, what are my expenses account, what are my revenue accounts. Against to these accounts, we need to map the item category. So here system is asking for the chart of account. I have given my chart of account and then hit enter. Now this is the screen where we need to classify the GL account. Against to that, we have to mention the item category. So click on new entries. Let me maintain all the GL number range, then I will explain you the categories. So these are the my GL accounts from my two number range. So the first one would be my balance sheet GL account. So I will be selecting the item category as a balance sheet for this. And then my second row is for the revenue accounts. Now I will be selecting the revenue here. And then my third one is expense accounts. So I will be selecting the revenue expenses item category. So this will be the expenses, and this will be my secondary cost element. So for this I will be selecting this customer specific item category. And in the real time, we need to specify the each and every type of category, like fixed asset, material, withholding tax, we need to define likewise. And then click on save here, and then go back. And the second step would be this one, classified document types for document splitting. So if you have created any custom document types for your client or for a special other purpose, the system will automatically populate those document types here. So what we have to do is we have to assign the business transaction variant for that relevant document type. So in my case, there is nothing customized document types are there. So I'm going one step back here, and then define zero balance clearing account. So here in this step, as we have discussed earlier in the document splitting types, we have three types. The third one defines zero balancing clearing account. So for that type, we would need one zero balancing clearing account need to be defined in FS00 screen. Okay, so that would be, we will be assigning it here. So I am selecting here standard account for zero balancing, which is debit and credit. Then click on accounts here. Now system will ask for the chart of accounts. Just enter the chart of account and hit enter, and then click on new entry here. So in my case, my zero balancing clearing account is this one. Then hit enter, and then click on save, and then go one step back here, one more step. Okay, now the main important step is define document splitting characteristics for general ledger accounting. So just click on this one. So in my case, I want to activate the document splitting characteristics for the profit center. Against to profit center, I want to activate it. So in my case, it's already activated here. So zero balancing in this one check mark is given, and a mandatory field profit center is also given. So whatever the document you are posting, it should have a document profit center as a mandatory field. Otherwise, without profit center, system will not allow you to post a document. Okay, now I'm going one more step back here, and now here we have defined document splitting characteristics for controlling. So this is a new step which has been added in the S4 HANA system. So if you want, we can go inside and check. We can also add the document splitting characteristics any one of the CO cost element, like order, internal order, and sales order, or anything, WBS element, anything we can add. And this is not required, not mandatory. And then we have edit constant for non-assigned process. So if you have any requirement like if unspecified posting you want to default the profit center, then we have to do this configuration. Otherwise it's not required. So if you want to default a profit center for unspecified posting and the other postings, so then you need to select this one and then click on profit center. Okay, and then against your controlling area, you have to maintain the default profit center here. So in my case, I'm not going to maintain any default profit center here. Come one step back, and one more step back, and then the final step would be activate the document splitting. Click on activate document splitting here. One second. Now we are in activate document splitting step. So if we have defined any constant value, it means if we have any default profit center is there, we have to choose the constant here, and we need to activate this standard account assignment. In my case, I have not defined, so I'm leaving it blank. Now we have to activate the document splitting for against to our company code. So my company code is 2009. So here you can see for my company codes, it's already deactivated. So now I'm going to activate this for my company code 2009 and 2010, and then click on save. So data was saved now. So that's all in this session. So we have seen all the step-by-step configuration of document splitting. In next session, I will be posting the few documents and I will show you the functionality of document splitting. Thank you so much for watching my videos.